Good morning, class 10. Today is 20th August. I will continue with lesson 10, arithmetic progression. I will take question number of 20 of exercise 10A. Now the question says that the angles of a quadrilateral are in AP. So this is your quadrilateral, four side figure. Angle A, B, C, D are in AP. So these four angles are in AP. And we know the sum of the four angles of a quadrilateral is 360. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360. Common difference is given in the question 10 degree. So it is represented by small d. So let angle A is x. So angle B will be x plus d. That means x plus 10 degree. We'll substitute the value of d, common difference. Angle C will be x plus 2d. So x plus 2 into d will be 20 degree. So angle D will be x plus 3d. So substitute the value of d, it will be x plus 30 degree. Now you will put the value of A, angle B plus angle C plus angle D over here. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360. Now we will substitute the value, that is x plus D plus x plus 2d plus x plus 3d is equal to 360. Now you will put the values. So it will be x plus 10 degree plus x plus 20 degree plus x plus 30 degree is equal to 360. Now 1, 2, 3, 4x. So 4x plus 10 plus 20, 30. 30 plus 30 is 60 equals to 360 degree. So therefore 4x is equal to 360 degree minus 60. So 4x will be equal to 300. X will be equal to 300 over 4. That means x will come out to be 75 degree. So we will find out the value. Angle A is x. So it will be 75 degree. Angle B is x plus 10. So it will be 85. 75 plus 10 will be 85. Angle C will be x plus 20. So it will be 95. Angle D will be x plus 30. So it will be 105. So these are the value of the angle. Answer of question number 20. Now we will do question number 14 of exercise 10B given in the page number 135. The question says that a sum of rupees 2,800, that means the sum S is given to us, rupees 2,800, is to be used to award 4 prize. That means N is given to us 4 because there are 4 prizes. If each prize after the first is rupees 200 less than the preceding prize, find the value of each prize. That means if you read the question, it's saying each prize after the first, suppose this is first, after the first is 200 less. Clear? That means now common difference will be minus 200 because it is 200 less than the preceding price. Now we have to find the value of each price. Clear? So let prices be, first one is x, second will be 200 less, that means it is in rupees. So rupees x minus 200, second price. Third price will be rupees x minus 2 into 200, that will be x minus 400, and next will be x minus 600. So these are the prices. Clear now? So now what you will do? We have to use the formula of sum of n number. That is n by 2 in the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now we will substitute the value. So S sum is given to us, that is 2800. N is 4 prices are there, so 4 by 2 in the bracket 2 into A. A we have taken x, so it will be 2x plus n is 4, 4 minus 1, D is minus 200. So what you will do? You will do some simplification. It will be cancelled with the table of 2. So it will be 2800 divided by 2 equals to 2x plus 4 minus 1 is 3 multiplied with minus 200. Now we will cancel this. It will go with the table of 2, 1400. So this will be 1400 equal to 2x minus 600. 200 into 3 will be minus 600, plus minus will be minus. Now you will take this minus 600 on the left hand side, so it will become plus 600 equals to 2x. Therefore 2x will be equals to 2000. X will be 2000 over 2. That means x is equal to 1000 rupees. So you will write the answer in rupees. Now what we have to find? We have to find the value of each prices. You have to find this. So first price is x, that is 1000 rupees. Second price is x minus 200. So that will be 800 rupees. That means 1000 minus 200. Third price is x minus 400. So it will be 600. 1000 minus 400 is 600. Fourth price is x minus 600. So this will be your 400. So these are the prices for the sum of 2800 rupees. First price, second price, third price and the fourth price.